going on, my dudes? I am back working on this thing again. There's been a lot of changes in the channel. We've gained a lot of followers. So if you're new here, this is my 2001 Jeep Cherokee. It has been a major project the last, I don't know, year and a half. Basically, we have stroked the motor, rebuilt the transmission, transfer case, threw Data 44s out of a JK Rubicon into it. Pretty much refinished everything under the chassis, and it hasn't run for 3-4 months now. So the goal for today is to get it plumbed and filled with fluids and back running. So let's get to work. While it is cool to sit here and turn this and watch it move on this side, focus. I think it's time to continue this video. It didn't really make sense to leave it off there. So we went to AutoZone, grabbed a Pitman arm puller, and we're gonna get this thing. The concept is that this hole is much too small. I believe it's a 5/8 inch taper, and the new steering needs a 3/4 inch taper. So what we're gonna do is drill this out to 3/4 inches and then put this taper sleeve into there. After a longer time than I would like to drilling, we have this drilled out to 7/8, and our taper is gonna fit in there now. Just slides in, and then the actual tie rod will go in there, make this expand against there. So this should essentially be one piece now, and it's tapered. All right, admittedly, it's up on jacks just to relieve a bunch of the pressure. Apparently, 35s with 0 power steering is still heavy, but turny. Yep. It's fantastic. This snapped off the Mishimoto standard overflow nipple with barely any pressure, so I ended up drilling it out, going 1/4 NPT, and now we've got a larger thread, and I'm hoping that it's not going to just rip off.
it going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, with the exciting bits done, plumbed, and filled, I noticed that there's a pretty decent water leak. I'm fairly certain it's from this water pump. I mean, it's new, so I'm pretty sure I just didn't tighten them down all the way. So I'm gonna take this belt off, get the spark plugs back in, coil back on so we can break this cam in, and then get the radiator actually filled all the way back up. Make sure that thermostat opens where it's supposed to. Yada, yada. Get back to work.
Just open the door.